Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing the Boxycharm unboxing. So first let me tell you a little bit about Boxycharm if you don't already subscribe to this box. It is $21 a month and you get 4 to 5 full-size products valued at $100 or more. You can earn reward points or charms as they call them to redeem in the charm shop, and you get, 250 charms per box. So every time you get a box, you get 250 charms added to your account, okay? So without further ado, let's just hop right into this. I actually have a multi-tool with me right now so I can actually open the box, which is probably dangerous if you think about it. All right, so I did see a couple spoilers on Boxycharm. So yeah, I know a little bit of what's in here. I don't know everything. I try to stay away from it because I like to be surprised, but then I also like to know so I can research to know if it's a product that I want to use, if it's cruelty-free, things like that. But anyways, let's go ahead and get the first thing I knew was coming in here. This is the CoverFX Blurring Primer. Let's see. This is cruelty-free, I believe. It doesn't say on the box, but I am 98% sure this is cruelty-free. If it's not, I'll put it down below. But yeah, so let's go ahead and try this out. See how it feels on the skin. I'm not entirely sure what a blurring primer does. I tend to use the more like hydrating form of. Oh, this is like thick. Oh, it totally blurs. I guess a blurring primer like blurs your skin to make it look like more finished, like it's photoshopped. I guess is the only way I can describe it. It feels really nice. Feels really smooth. So yeah, I will definitely play around with this some more to see how it does on my skin. But yeah, I'm excited about this. Okay, let's see what else we have. Oh, I guess I forgot to show you the card because I got so excited about the stuff I got in here. This is the theme this month. It's called Boxy Bash, and it's Boxycharm's birthday. I don't remember how many years. I think it's 2 years maybe, something like that. So yeah, and it has the values of all the products we're getting today on the back, and I'll look at that at the end so we can see what the value of this box was. All right, so it looks like next we have, let's go ahead and do this brush here. This brush is from Aesthetica, which is a cruelty-free brand. I've gotten a couple brushes from them in the past, and they're really nice and soft. Oops, okay. What kind of brush is this? It's called the P12. It is so soft. Looks like just like I would say it's like a blush brush is what I would probably use it for. But yeah, super soft. I always could use more brushes. That way I don't have to clean them as often. That's really why I like having a lot of brushes. So yeah, excited about that. That's cool. Okay, the next thing we have is a matte lip gloss. This is by Beauty Creations. Here's the packaging. My camera just, there we go, got it to focus. It is cruelty free. It's got the little bunny there. I'm trying to find a color. The color is called Sweetheart. Matte, long wear matte lip gloss is what it says on here. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it. It's so pretty. I like pinks and nudes, so it's like if pink and nude had a baby. It's kind of like that. It definitely looks like it dries down matte. It's drying pretty quick, so that's cool. I'm excited about that. I will definitely use this. Okay, let's see. Next we have, this is from Pretty Vulgar. It is the Ink Blacklist Gel Eyeliner. Whoa, it's like a solid in there. It's like a gel pomade or something. I usually just use like an automatic liner pencil when I do eyeliner. I'm actually going to go ahead and open the next item so we can swatch this with them. It's just a 3 brush set from Aesthetica. And it looks like it's got there's packaging in packaging. So it's got an eyebrow spoolie right here. This looks like, oh goodness, can get it out of there. Anyways, it's in packaging. Can you see that? It looks like a eyeliner brush, so that's why I think this goes together. There we go, got it off. So yeah, there's that, and then this is just an angled brush. You could probably use it on your eyebrows, or probably your eyelids, or maybe like eyeliner for your under eye. Go ahead and just dip this in here. Ooh, it looked really solid when I was just peeking in the jar, but it's actually like, wow, that is so dark. I like that a lot, and it's so smooth. Looks like it dries down pretty fast too, so yeah, that's cool. I've had a couple things from Pretty Vulgar before. I like them a lot. They are cruelty-free, so I will definitely get the lid on. I'll get some use out of this. Okay, now looks like maybe one more thing hidden in here. Okay, so the next item is, it's called the Pure Sculptor. It is a highlight and contour palette. This brand is cruelty-free as well. All right, let's go ahead and, where's that knife I had? Okay. So it's got a mirror, and then it's got 4 shades. It looks like 2 contouring and 2 highlighting maybe. It smells like chocolate. It smells like the Too Faced chocolate bar palette. That's like my favorite palette ever. Oh, I'm excited. It's so cute. The mirror says, "You are the sculptor of your own destiny." How cute. I don't really do a lot of contouring, mostly because I don't know how to do it. I mean, sometimes I do like this, but I don't do like Kim Kardashian in-depth contouring. But I definitely will use the highlighters. Let me go ahead and do a quick swatch of these for you. So there's the 4 colors. They're all definitely very pigmented. Yeah, this is the darkest shade. This is the lighter contour, and then this is the originator, the lighter highlight, and then the darker highlight right here. So yeah, definitely cool. It's very pigmented. I'm excited to actually try out that. Even if I don't use these as contours, I could definitely maybe use them as eyeshadows. Love the way they smell. So yeah. Let's go ahead and go over the value of everything really quick. So first, let's just go over the Sculptor palette since I have it in my hand. This retails for $30. The next thing is the CoverFX Blurring Primer. Retails for $38. Then we have the 3-piece brush set. This retails for $45. Holy crap. Wow, that's crazy. Okay. Then the next thing we have is the, it says it's called the face brush, which I guess is what blush is. This retails for $27. Wow. And then the liquid lip gloss, this retails for $10. And then the liquid eyeliner is $24. I'm not going to try to math in my head because last time I gave the wrong number. So I will put the total and the values, everything in the description box below, so that way you guys can see. But it's definitely over the $100 that they promise, which is awesome. Boxycharm is my favorite box. I don't think there's anything in this box that I don't like and I won't use. I will probably use every one of them. This is the one I'm probably most apprehensive about, just because I am not like an eyeliner aficionado. Like I just do I can't do like a cat eye. I never really tried. It's just, I don't know why I don't feel so comfortable with eyeliner, but yeah, other than that, like, I love everything in this box, so yay! Anyways, if you guys like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos from me, more unboxings, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys later. Bye, guys!